Today's widget is MediaQuery, as our application will be used in different sizes of devices. So, for proper representation of our widgets, we can use MediaQuery to get the information about the device screens. It also allows you to get the orientation of the mobile. Here, I'm creating a function to get the height and width of the device by using MediaQuery. Context is basically the current place where our widget is built. Printing the values, calling the function from the build widget. Now we have the height and width of our device. Using this height and width to create a container, we can change it according to our requirement. Now we have a container which can change its height and width according to the device size. That's all about the MediaQuery.